everyone! Today we cook a traditional Christmas drink, eggnog, which is very popular in the USA, Canada, Latin America and Europe. Probably you have never heard about this drink before, so I strongly recommend that you cook this drink today. So for this drink we need the following ingredients. We need 240 milliliters of milk. We need 120 milliliters of heavy cream, 50 grams of sugar, some salt, 3 egg yolks, some spices, cinnamon, either with sticks or powder. We also need nutmeg and what else? Cloves. Unfortunately, we have neither nutmeg nor cloves, but I recommend that you use all the ingredients in your own recipe. So let's start. Let's start. Step number 1, whisk egg yolks. Take egg yolks, please. Take them. Pour them here. And sugar. Where is sugar? Sugar. Sugar.
What?
Yes, this is sugar. Add sugar and whisk. Whisk. No, we don't need milk. We need to whisk them like this. Okay. In a saucepan, combine milk. Pour the milk into a saucepan. Hold it and pour it. Pour. Good. Heavy cream. Heavy cream. Salt. A tiny pinch of salt, please. Just a tiny. No, not all. Just a tiny pinch of salt. Yes. Good. A tiny pinch of cinnamon. Cinnamon. Yes. Cloves and nutmeg. And bring to a simmer. Slowly combine the eggs and the hot milk mixture, whisking constantly. Cook over low heat, stirring frequently until the mixture begins to thicken slightly. Remove from heat and strain the mixture. Look how you can do it very quickly. See? That's it. Chill in the fridge or any other cool place at least 2 hours. Pour into a cup or a glass. Sprinkle some grated cinnamon and nutmeg and drink. Yummy? Enjoy your meal. Cheers. It's sweet. Sweet? Yes, it's yummy. It's good. Okay, until next time. Bye.
Bye.